Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a test environment with Jenkins, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Java installed on your machine. Download and install the latest version of Jenkins from the official website. Once the installation is complete, launch Jenkins. Open your web browser and go to localhost followed by the port Jenkins is running on, usually 8080. You will be greeted by the Jenkins setup wizard. To unlock Jenkins, you need the initial administrator password. Find this password in the location specified on the Setup Wizard page. Copy the password and paste it into the required field on the Jenkins setup page. Click the Continue button to proceed. Next, Jenkins will prompt you to install plugins. Choose the recommended plugins option for a smooth installation. Wait for Jenkins to download and install the selected plugins. Once the plugins are installed, you'll be guided to create an admin user. Fill in your username, password, and email address, then click Save and Finish. At this point, Jenkins is ready to be used. Now, it's time to create a test environment. Click on New Item in the Jenkins dashboard. Enter a name for your new job and select Freestyle Project. Click OK to open the job configuration page. In the configuration section, scroll down to Build Environment. Check the box for Use secret texts or files if your tests require. Next, find the Build section. Click on Add Build Step and select the type of build step you need, such as Execute Shell. Add the necessary commands to run your tests. To save your configurations, scroll down and click Save. You will be directed back to the job page. To test your environment, click on Build Now from the left menu. You will see the job queued up and then executing. You can monitor the build progress by clicking on the build number in the build history. After the build is complete, click on the build number to see the console output. Review the log to ensure your tests ran successfully. If everything is set up correctly, you have successfully created a test environment with Jenkins. Now, feel free to explore additional configurations and plugin options to enhance your setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.